Hey everyone, I'm Aryan Narula, a third year BBA LLB student at Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies Technical Campus, also known as VIPS. Curious to know how a day of a law student looks like at VIPS? Stick around.
Like most students, I take the metro to commute to the campus. There are two metro stations near VIPS, Haidarpur on the yellow line and Pitampura on the red line. After a short 10 minutes e-rickshaw ride from Pitampura metro station, we are finally at gate number 3. Everyone needs to scan their RFID cards to get in and out of campus. In case you forget or lose the RFID card, there are plenty of guards at each gate to assist you.
Now we are at VIPS. There are 3 blocks in VIPS. This is Block B, which has School of Law. Now the School of Law and Legal Studies offers 2 integrated undergraduate programs, that is BLLB Honours and BBA LLB Honours. There are also options available for LLM with specializations in alternative dispute resolution, that is ADR and corporate law. Now it's 9:20 AM and I am a first lecture at 9:30. So let's head for my first lecture.
The law school has a strength of more than 2,000 students and 80 faculty members, so you will find the campus always buzzing. First, we dive into the property law, and today we discuss the concept of mortgage, which is a lot relevant in the current scenario. It was quite interesting as we learned the various provisions regarding punishment and sentencing under criminal cases. Right after that, it was time for my class on investment and competition law. The lecture went by quickly as we discussed about the different foreign exchange laws in India. In the 4th lecture of Jurisprudence, we studied the idea of justice by Amartya Sen.
Now I'm done with my class. Now I'll show you the VIPS canteen.
This is our VIPS cafe. You will definitely find something to satiate your hunger here. I honestly love the different shakes from the cafe. Next up, we had a PSDA class. In every semester, we have a professional skill development activity, aka PSDA class, wherein we have projects, assignments, and presentations curated to refine our professional skills as well as speaking skills. Throughout life, you need to have the confidence to articulate and communicate well, and this activity helps you not only polish your existing set of technical and research skills, but also to gain confidence to address a crowd.
Now I'm heading to my mentor-mentee session.
Today's agenda was to discuss my academic growth and a usual check-up on the personal life as well. After filling the form, I straight away went to the library.
Before I head to the library, let me show you the Alumni Achievement Wall. VIPS Law School has a legacy spanning over 20 years and there have been 24 university gold medalists.
Our alumni are successfully placed with eminent law firms, corporates, government organizations, and many have established their own ventures. We have over 30 alumni as advocate on record, that is AOR, 60 judicial officers, 7 in higher judiciary, and there are at least 8 alumni that are Judge Advocate General. It is truly inspiring to know that they have walked these same corridors and are today at such higher places. I am currently in the process of writing a research paper on the projection of AI in our legal system, and in the campus library, we have access to databases like Westlaw and SEC Online for in-depth research. These online resources are available to all the students off campus as well through the college email ID. But apart from these web platforms, the library is filled with thousands of books, AI journals, research papers, and law magazines.
So now I'm done with my research. Now I'll show you some spots around VIPS. This is our legal aid cell, established under Delhi State Legal Services Authority. Students who volunteer for DSLSA, once trained, become PLVs, that is paralegal volunteers. It instills a social responsibility in them to ensure that justice is given to all, including the underprivileged. We are at the Moot Court now. Here, we host national and international level of moots. This place also witnesses different mock trials as well as intra-bill competitions. Next up, we have our Center for Legal Research and Development. It is the perfect place for students and faculty to research. At VIPS, we have our various Center for Excellence such as Cyber Law, Intellectual Property Rights and Pro Bono Club. Whenever life is overwhelming, you will find students and faculty reach out to the inner space to just take a breather. So this is the boys' common room area. As you can see, there are many indoor games available. Now, I usually come once or twice a week. Also, there is a girls' common room area just on the front of it. Apart from academic pursuits, at VIPS, we have a lot of societies where you can learn and be a part of community that works for a common goal. There are a lot of centralized as well as departmental societies. Currently, I am the student convener of Alumni Engagement Cell, which aims to foster the relationship between former as well as current students. I also take part in the events organized by the Advocates Legion, that is, the official Moot Court Society of BSLL. It provides a platform for students to experience real-life court simulations to ensure that we gain invaluable practical skills. Moreover, under the School of Law and Legal Studies, we have a lot of departmental societies ranging from debate, sports to client counseling. The law school also organizes the much-awaited Diwali Mela, where you will find the whole campus in ethnic wear. And there are also a lot of fun activities. There are also a lot of societies at the centralized level. You can try your luck in literature, dance, theatre or even the music society. Apart from this, students volunteer for NSS, that is National Service Scheme, as well as enroll themselves with National Cadet Corps, that is NCC. If you wish to focus on academic endeavors, our school offers classes for UPSC, judicial exams, as well as common admission test, that is CAT. Each year, you will also get an opportunity to enroll yourself in a value-added course. For example, currently, we have a value-added course on media and entertainment laws, which have senior associates and associates from Khaitan & Co, Indus Law, as well as senior journalists and editors from News 9 and Hindustan Times. Apart from these, there are skill-enhancing training workshops for resume building, interviews, and much more. So it's a little after 4. And the School of English Studies is organizing a LitFest today. I have to go there to shoot some clips for my personal blog. I'll also join my friend there. Now that's a wrap for a day in the life of a law student at VIPS. Thanks for tagging me along.